भाजपाचे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह मुखेलमंत्री बरो जाय मेरेन कोण सुत्रां सांबाळटला हाचेर फुडली म्हायती दितले। मात मुखेलमंत्र्याक पदाचो राजीनामो दिवचो काय ना हें स्वता मुखेलमंत्री थारायतले म्हण उपसभापती मायकल लोबो उलयला।
राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित जी शाह will announce the future जे कितें एक्शन गोवान चालू आहा आनी पर्रीकर जी being a tall leader of Bharatiya Janata Party in Goa, who has brought the party up, who rose to be the defense minister of the country. Maka dista only he can decide his resignation and nobody else can decide his resignation. आणि हे बसाबास आमी खूब फाटी केल्या पार्टीच्या मिटिंगेक बसून जेन्ना पर्रीकर जी US आसलो एडमीट इन द हॉस्पिटल that if he cannot continue he will only decide and not anybody else, and I feel that the central leadership also will not decide that he should resign or he should step down, and they will leave it up to him, his thoughts and his म्हणजे तेका जो तर देवान स्ट्रेंथ दिलो, तेका देवान जो तर मातसो बरो केलो जाल्यार तेणे आपले ओन डिसिजन घेवपाचें कंटिन्यू करपाचें हें म्हाका तर दिसता की सेंट्रल लिडरशीप विल डिसायड इन दीस एंगल, and whatever needs to be formed in Goa, like the 3-member committee or a cabinet advisory committee or acting chief minister in till Parrikar gets well, that also will be decided by the center, and Amit Ji Shah I think today or tomorrow will come out clearly on this. But overall discussion, central leadership and Goa leadership, nobody can tell Parrikar ji to step down. Nobody can request him also to step down. It is his own decision on health ground whether he wants to step down. But in the interest of the administration, whatever needs to be done.
गोयच्या राजकारणाच्या वास्तुस्थितीची राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह जाण आसा। जरी तर कसलोय निर्णय घेतले तर पक्ष मुखेलमंत्र्याकडेन उलोवन फुडले पावल उखलतलो। सरकार राज्यांत स्थिर आसा, जनतेन बेश्टेच कसल्या अफवांक भुलचे न्हय म्हण दक्षिण गोयचो खासदार ॲडव्होकेट नरेंद्र सावयकर उलयला।
Central leadership, party president Honorable Amit Ji Shah has been briefed about the matter. He is aware of entire political situation that is present in Goa, and he has said that he will meet Honorable Chief Minister, and after discussing with him, if at all any decision has to be taken as regards the political aspect is concerned, that would be taken in consultation with the Honorable Chief Minister. So I think the people should not fall prey to any of the rumors or any of the gossips, and I would appeal to people that the Bharatiya Janata Party led government in Goa is very much stable, and party along with our allies is committed to give a transparent as well as smooth government to the people of Goa.
मुखेलमंत्र्याची स्थिती खूप सुधारल्या, ते बेगिना गोंयांत येतले म्हण विश्वास भाजपाचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष विनय तेंडुलकरान उक्तायला।
सीएमाक मेळपाक आमचो ऑर्गनायझेशन जनरल सेक्रेटरी विजय पुराणीक केल्लो काल वचून मेळून आयला तांकां, आनीक गोंयान गेल्ले हांगसर एडमीट तेचे पेक्षा खूब सुदारल्या तेची हेल्थ बरें। काल ते सकाळी फायल्स क्लियर करताले, तेणे पळयले पुराणिकान स्वता पळयले, बरें नोटींग मिटींग घालून फायल्स क्लियर पयलीं भशेन, आनी म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्री बेगिनात बेगीन बरें जावन गोंयान येतले। म्हणजे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आतां दिल्लीचे भायर आसात, आज लेट नायट ते दिल्लीन पावतले, आनी विदीन म्हाका दिसता बाय सॅटर्डे ऑर संडे आमचे अध्यक्ष डिसिजन घेतले।
आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार आनी कॅन्झेल रॉड्रिगीस।